Welcome to ToonyPanda.
Hello, ocean explorers. Are you ready to dive deep and meet the coolest sea animals ever? From spinning starfish to dancing dolphins, they splash, swirl, and smile just for you. Grab your snorkel. Let's dive in.
Splash and swim, let's dive below, where the ocean creatures go. From tiny fish to giant tail, let's sing their names beneath the sail. Dolphin jumps with a flip and spin, smiling bright with playful grin. Click, 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 she loves to play in the sea all night and day. Whale goes, whoa, deep and wide, singing songs as she glides. The biggest creature in the sea, swimming slow and gracefully. Octopus with legs of 8 wiggles by, oh isn't that great? With squishy steps and colors neat, he hides in rocks and makes retreat. Shark goes dun dun with silent bite, but don't you worry, he won't fight. He swims with power, fast and bold, with shiny teeth and body cold. Jellyfish floats with gentle glow, lights up blue in water flow. She goes buoying soft and slow, a dancing lamp from head to toe. Seahorse twirls from side to side, tiny tail and eyes so wide. He bubbles up and twirls so free, a little knight beneath the sea. Starfish spreads her arms out 5, feels the ocean come alive. She doesn't move or make a peep, but gently glides across the deep. Crab goes click with sidestep toes, snappy claws and funny pose. He hides beneath the rock so shy, but peeks and waves as you go by. Lobster walks with armored shell, big red claws and ocean smell. With a clack clack sound he crawls underwater caves and walls. Sea turtle swims with a smile so wide, slow and steady in the tide. She paddles, paddles near the shore, she's been swim since times of yore. Squid shoots ink and zips away, fast and sneaky every day. With zoom, zoom, jets and tentacles tight, he disappears right out of sight. Stingray glides on ocean floor, wings so flat and tail to soar. She whispers through the water blue, like a flying carpet made for two. Seal goes arf arf on a rock, claps her flippers, tick tock. She dives and spins with happy cheer, and loves when little kids come near. Clownfish hides in coral bright, peeking out with joy and light. He goes blub blub in his home, a cozy reef where he can roam. Eel goes and slithers through, wiggling like a ribbon blue. In the cave so dark and deep, he curls and coils and goes to sleep. Under the sea so wild and free, with every fish and mystery. Now we know them name by name, let's sing again and play the game.
Thanks for watching ToonyPanda. Subscribe and press the bell button on YouTube. Like our page on Facebook for more such videos.